Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn say make dem do check on top the Nigerian Railway Corporation sake of say dem no fit secure train stations for the country. Obaseki yarn dis one when he go visit the rescued victims for the Igweben train station attack for the police cottage hospital for Benin City, where dem dey currently receive treatment. Obaseki tok say belle sweet am wella as dem fit rescue almost everybody wey tiffy Jankoriko pipo gbab for Igweben. A country wey salute give the security agencies for their correct effort to rescue the victims.
We thank God we've been able to secure the release of almost all the people who were kidnapped about a week ago from the Igweben train station in Edo. It has been a very grueling experience, something we never prayed for, and we hope that will not happen again. It tested the will of our security system, what we have put in place, and I'm so glad that the system is resilient. You can see that in the last 1 week, we were able to be on the trail of the kidnappers. We contained them to certain areas. They could not leave the areas we contained them to. And with all the intelligence and the support, the aerial support we got from the Air Force, from the police, and the drone support and the technology support, we were able to track them, and with the training of the special forces we have and all the other members of the team we put together, we were able to release 12 out of the 14 that were being held hostages unharmed. We think it's something worth celebrating, something we should thank and appreciate our members of our security forces. The sacrifice they put in, the sleepless nights, which they put into this effort, must be commended. And we thank God that today, which is Remembrance Day, we have something to rejoice about, something to thank our armed security services for. That's how I feel, and we will continue to invest in the security system of the state. We'll continue to encourage the collaboration of our forces, security forces, and we will make sure that we continue to invest in the requisite technology and equipment to curb this sort of incidents.
Governor Obaseki constituent say he dey disappointed with the Nigerian Railway Corporation, say dem no fit secure train stations for Nigeria.
I must also express our disappointment at the authorities of the Nigerian Railway Corporation, because after the Kaduna incident, you would have expected that they would secure their facilities better. So for 6 men to have come into their facility to kidnap almost 30 people, I think is something that has to be investigated. It doesn't speak well of their preparedness to run an efficient rail system in this country, and doesn't give confidence to Nigerians that they will be safe using that mode of transport. You cannot tell me that in a facility like the Igweben station, you had only one policeman with one rifle guarding that facility, particularly after what had happened in Kaduna. I believe if that agency knows what they're doing, they must investigate what happened and ensure that this sort of thing does not happen to any other Nigerian anywhere in this country.
Obaseki constituent say
we are working. I've just been consulting with the Commissioner of Police and the service chiefs. We have information that some traditional rulers in that area are not respecting government decision to make sure that grazing land or grazing opportunities are not given to herders in their forests. I've instructed that those traditional rulers will be investigated, and anyone who's found to be harboring people they should not harbor in their domain will have questions to answer, because that is the cause. Because for communities that have cooperated, we're not seeing this kind of incident.
On top how much government paid to release the victims, Obaseki talks say
there was no amount paid. That is, the special forces went in there and overpowered the kidnappers, who ran away with only two of the victims. The rest were left, and the special forces and members of the security team, the military, the police, the DSS, we had a joint operation with the vigilantes and hunters. They went in there in their numbers, and they released each of the 12 people that were brought to this hospital.
Edo State Commissioner for Police, CP Mohammed Dankwara, took mouth for the efforts of security agents to rescue the victims.
Ubo, around that place and Ubo Forest, that is the area. The security forces have been there for a week now. They are in the forest, and it was there that they intercepted those people, because from the intelligence gathered that they are roaming around that area. So yesterday night, the security forces laid an ambush in trying to move the people from one area to the other. They intercepted them. So that is exactly what happened. We are making progress. We will make sure that they are released too. We will make sure we rescue them. That is 2. Yes. We have made arrests. We have people that are with us, that they are part of the syndicate that did this thing.
Omwaluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make you remember, say your PVC and have your power. No say I'm giving politicians on election day.